Oh Vishnu, what cosmic mischief have your dreams created this time? Those are your avatars manifesting while you sleep.
Come here, little Kurma. You may carry the world in your avatar form, but right now you must fit in my hand without causing any more chaos.
What in the cosmic balance is happening here? Lord Vishnu is cycling through his avatars like a divine slideshow while sleeping.
Every time I try to make you comfortable, the universe pays the price. But I cannot leave you sleeping like this, my dear preserver.
Why does my entire body feel like it was rearranged by committee? And why do the constellations look different?
Some cosmic forces cannot be caged, even by love. His dreams will shape reality, whether I hold the pillow or not. Perhaps that is why we dance together through eternity. This is my existence now, trapped in the arms of infinite divine strength, while cosmic snoring shakes the very foundations of reality directly into my ear. And yet, somehow, I wouldn't have it any other way.
You look tired. Did something happen while I was resting?